Step into refined style with these leather Nubuck men's moccasins, a striking combination of luxury, comfort, and classic design. Crafted with a smooth leather upper and a rich Nubuck lower, this pair showcases an elegant red-black color combination that is both bold and sophisticated. Designed for the modern man who values quality, these moccasins make a powerful statement in any setting, from casual gatherings to upscale evenings out. The meticulous craftsmanship ensures not only a stylish appearance but also exceptional comfort. The supple leather molds to your feet, offering a glove-like fit, while the Nubuck provides a velvety texture that enhances both durability and flexibility. Whether you're spending long hours on your feet or simply enjoying a night out, these moccasins deliver effortless wearability without compromising elegance. Perfect for men who appreciate classic yet distinctive footwear, these moccasins exude confidence and sophistication. Expect compliments and envious glances, as the unique red-black contrast and premium materials set you apart from the crowd. Whether paired with tailored trousers or designer denim, these shoes complete your look with refinement and undeniable charm.
And while you're painting your fabulous canvas, don't forget to check out Shoe Elegance with these fabulous shoes I just bought from him. They're wonderful, comfortable, and I gotta tell you something, I've been wearing them now for a month. They feel awesome. Thank you so much.